Hey everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Carrie Lee, with my baby boy, Kaden, Naziah, and my sister from another mister. We're about to show you how to make some pina coladas. So tune in now. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me. Turn on that post notifications bell on right now. So we are getting ready for the preparation of our pina coladas by my infamous baby sister, Kaylin. All right. So what you gonna need?
A Goya, always.
Always Goya. Always cocoa Goya. All right.
Goya. You get that generic shit, it ain't right.
It ain't gonna taste good.
The Goya, pineapple juice. Never the other shit. Again,
Goya, baby.
Goya. That Spanish shit, alright?
Really?
Then, you wanna get the tequila, Milagro. If you get Patron, it's not gonna taste right. Okay? Milagro. That's 40%.
Milagro, okay? All right,
alcohol. 40%.
Where is the 40%? Where is it?
Right there.
All right, 40. That's it.
Then, you get these cherries right here, because that juice is gonna make that shit taste poppin'.
Oh.
Alright.
All right, those are our kids. We moms.
You know, alright. That's why we need to make this shit.
All right, this is our fancy little cups. Pretend we out.
So,
living.
I want y'all to see. It's really to the top. I'm gonna pour half juice and see if that's enough.
Oh, don't forget, we need the ice in here.
Oh, word.
Because if not, it's not gonna work. Ooh, does it smell pina? Does it smell pina?
It smells like I walked in Puerto Rico.
What? We in Puerto Rico now?
Hey. So now you do the coconut.
What the hell? My son. Hold up.
Cream of cocoa. So I did 3/4 of the pineapple and about 3/4 of the coconut cream.
Look, we ain't doing exact measurements. We just doing with our hands. That's it.
What you do when you're reeking, alright?
Alright? This is it.
So you take the stem off because we don't want stem in their stuff.
Right, look. She's popping the cherries.
You already know. Alright. Put a couple in there. Get a good amount in there. Because then, this is what we're going to do. After we do this, look what we do. Okay?
Ooh, look at that. There we go. My kids in the background, that's it.
That's alright. Alright.
We just moms.
Put one more little cherry in there. Okay.
Just because.
Alright. So now, hold up. Some weird shit. So now, I'm going to pour 2 cups of this shit.
2 cups. Because we need it.
I don't know. This is like one. This is like 2 shots in one, bitch.
Here goes, Arnie.
Okay, never mind. I lied. We're gonna do 1 because this is like 2 shots itself, and I don't want to get too lit.
All right. Here we go.
Damn, yeah,
1
we're
shot.
good.
All right. That's it. Oh, our son is watching. Well, my son is watching.
Okay, that's not my son, but all right. Now
that is her nephew, and this was putting crackers. This is the mom life, okay?
Hold up.
This is the mom life.
Need more ice, because not it's gonna taste water, like water.
Water? Oh no. All right, here we go.
All right, guys. It's gonna get scary.
It's
gonna get scary. Okay.
Let's see if the magic's gonna
Texture check.
All right, texture check. Hold on.
It ain't right.
If it's too smooth, it ain't right. You heard her?
It's
Look
too
at that.
smooth.
Look, that looks like sofa. She made.
No touch.
He's like, I wanna learn.
Yeah, he pressed that button and then it's
So we had put too much liquid inside. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what's happening. All right, this better be it. Oh man, this is a fail over here.
Nah.
Look what you doing.
Nah, there's ice particles.
There's ice. This is not
Look
a
at this
pina
ice
colada.
particle in there. Look at this.
I can't with you.
Look at this.
This is not a pina colada. It's pina colada flavored.
Hold up.
Okay, she's gonna dump out some of the liquid. I'm presuming she's gonna put a little bit more ice into it to make it a little bit more thicker. Look at what she's doing. She's making a mess. Fail. Look at her phone. Fail. Oh, look at her tripping. Fail. Ooh, you got 5 seconds. Fail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's done. It's a wrap. That was a pina colada. And it's getting, it's getting my eyes. Look at that. That's beautiful. What happened? Let's see. Attempt number 3,000.
Nah, this is good.
Okay, this is good. Let's see.
Alright.
We gotta put in our fancy glasses. It's very, very red, pinkish. Oh my gosh, look at you. She's not a bartender. This is not the bartender. Look at, oh my gosh. Hell no. Good thing it's not plugged in. Electrocution over here.
I plugged it. Alright, so
All right.
hold up.
I gotta
Minus
test.
one.
I gotta test try this.
Hold up, wait.
And we gotta clink our glasses together. Look at what she did. I can't with her.
Okay.
We don't have no whipped cream, so she wanted to top it off, but we're gonna have to pretend we got the whipped cream. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait to drink with you so we can test it out together.
Alright, hold up.
Cause I can't just drink by my own. My cherry's sinking.
Sorry.
I gotta rise it back up. All right, hold on.
This liquor smells strong. I'm not ready.
I can't. All right.
Alright.
I gotta take a picture of this too.
Alright.
All right.
Now.
Wait, I gotta take a picture of it too. Pause. Oh wait, she gotta put her cherry. Look at that. We just found out Kaylin didn't put the whole thing of cocoa cream. She messed up on the pina coladas. My mom just told her you need to put the whole thing.
So you need to put it back in mix?
Oh no, Kaylin gotta mix it again.
Hell no.
Yep, there she go. This is a failed
So
pina
you know we're
colada.
gonna drink that and then we're gonna do this. I'm not doing all that extra shit.
Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Here we go. Attempt number 100. She
I'm
gotta
tired
put the
of this.
cocoa cream back. All right, and look, we got some extra. Look, this is so ghetto. This is ghetto.
This is not.
This is ghetto-ness.
Just don't do what I do.
How to not make pina coladas with Kaylin.
Alright.
And my mom saying in the background because she knows. In the meantime, while she put the other cocoa, we're gonna test these out right here.
Hold up.
All right. Oh, we're gonna test these out right now. Oh my
Do a
God!
boomerang real quick.
Boomerang.
Cling it.
Cling, cling, cling. Yeah, we gotta clink it again. We gotta clink it, clink, clink.
All right.
We gotta do this. Hold on. Wait.
Man, that shit's good. I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, hold on.
What is this extra shit? It's good. I don't want to hear none of that shit.
All right, so it tastes like a pina colada. We didn't have to put the full thing, Mom. No, we have to. So it tastes good. This is our version. That's it.
Pina coladas.
So now you know. This is our version of pina colada. It's still good. It still goes down our throat.
Still popping.
That's it.
You wish you could do it.
You wish.
Right.
Now you know how. And that's a baby crying in the background. That means it's time for us. That means it's time for us to go.
It's okay. All right, move.
Pina colada time. This is the leftover that we have for
Just
later.
like straight alcohol.
Great alcohol smelling, and we're just gonna add more liquor. I mean,
No, we're not adding more liquor. We're not trying to be that lit, girl.
We're adding
I'm
more.
trying to be like feeling nice,
all right.
not drunk.
We're gonna add more ice to it later. So she was supposed to put the whole pina. She didn't even put the whole pina in, and my mom's telling her,
There's weird stuff in it.
you know what? It still tastes like pina colada.
Right.
All right.
Right. Ew, I look crazy.
We both look crazy. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed our little video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, don't forget to share away, don't forget to tell your peoples about me, Lady Carrie Lee, and the drink. Here you guys go. Clink, clink, clink. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.